Hi coders, this is David and welcome to episode 1.1.1 of our Google Apps script course. I'm deciding to make this as an addendum to the last episode and you'll see why. So this is opening by file name. So in the last episode I taught you how to open by URL or ID. There is actually one more method. It's called open. And it's very simple method name, but I almost never use it because it's not as easy, I suppose, but it's worth knowing nonetheless. You'll see the note down there. It says file is referenced through Drive app. So you will need to have knowledge of Drive app to open the file name. You can't just open it through the Spreadsheet app. So I'm just going to breeze through that. I'll probably get into it more when we cover Drive app, but let's get into the code right now. So if you remember from our last episode, we used Spreadsheet app.open by URL and open by ID. Well, there's actually another method that I just talked about, Spreadsheet app.open right here, and it takes as an argument a file, which is a custom class made by Google, and the file will be found in the Drive app. So to do that, you need to access the Drive app, and I'm just going to write some code right now. Don't feel bad if you can't understand it right now. We'll probably again go more in depth when we cover Drive app. But we're going to get file by name. We're trying to get this one, so the name is my other spreadsheet. So my other spreadsheet. And then that returns a file iterator, so we need to use the method next. There's only one my other spreadsheet in the Drive, as you can see here. So we just need the first one. And let's see, yep, that looks good. And I don't know if you guys saw it. Let me type this in one more time. So this returns a file, which is exactly the class that we need as an argument to this method open. So that's how you know you're done. So just hit the semicolon. We'll hit save, and then I believe it's going to have us authenticate. Yep, there it is. Just because now we're using a different app. So we're using the Drive app. So you need to do this anytime you use a service for the first time. So let's choose the account, same process. Yes, allow. Great, so it's running now and no errors. So this is another way to do it. I almost never do it this way just because opening by URL or ID is easy enough. But I'm sure there are use cases for it. That's why it exists. And this is just a way to do it, I suppose. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next video.